Welcome to Six Sigma Mania. There is a tool helping to split large and long-term projects to smaller pieces. Tool is called Multi-Generation Plan. Long-term planning example and template is included. To keep yourself and project team focused, it is better to divide long-term projects to smaller pieces. Ask yourself following questions to recognize if project you are in is too large. Is planned activity extensive? Is planned to be longer than 5 to 6 months? Is influenced by more than 6 different departments? If answer on any of these questions is positive, I will suggest project division to smaller portions. There are several reasons for that. Focus on achievable targets in shorter time. Accomplishments will encourage team to next actions. Results will be more obvious for stakeholders. Team can take a rest between generations for a while without guilt feelings. There is much more space to control and sustain changes. Different team members can be part of different generations. Ideas from one generation can be moved to following one. You can launch other project in parallel if you find space for it. When I was younger, I had to spade vineyard. The vineyard end was infinitely far away. Grandpa gave me an advice. Set your target to the nearest column, and do not look to the end. And it worked. I was focusing to reach that column. I rewarded myself with something sweet when reaching it, and continued spading. Like in this example, find closest possible goal, address it, and move on to next goal. If you decided to split project, make sure each part makes sense. Keep in mind that ultimate project goal of whole initiative must be covered. Keep it in front of your eyes. This is how Mgpp template can look like. There are several sections to be filled in. In scope, or your vision of what should be covered in each generation. Time boundaries are estimated generations duration. Define functions to be reached in, properties to be reached row. Like to finish some analysis, or required data revisions. You can define process parameters, or products to be finished in that generation. Support required row, serves for definition of, supporting departments, suppliers, or supplies to be helpful in generation accomplishment. And last is owner definition. Name person, departments, or teams responsible for generation accomplishment. There are 3 generations showed in this table, but it is up to you how many gens your project will need. It can be 2, or 8. Here is long-term plan example. It describes 10 years President Kennedy's plan to land the moon, presented in the year of 1960. Generation 1, Project Mercury, and its goals. Gen 2, Project Gemini, and Gen 3, very well known, Project Apollo with flight and land on moon. Impressive, isn't it? Take a look under the video, where you find a link to my blog. There is Mgpp Template plus Conquering the Moon example for free download. Use it, share it. If you find this video helpful, give us a like. Hit the subscribe button and join Sigma Maniacs. Do not hesitate to post your comments, questions, or themes you are interested in to see on this channel. Thank you.